The dog, my favorite animal. It is a powerful spiritual symbol of loyalty, protection, and unconditional love. As guardians and faithful companions, they remind us to trust our instincts and nurture deep connections. Dogs also represent emotional healing and guidance, offering comfort in times of need. In many cultures, they are seen as spiritual protectors and even guides to the afterlife. If a dog appears to you, it is a sign to stay loyal to your path, trust your intuition, and embrace love with an open heart.